Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to basically book your GST and HST that you pay to Amazon.ca on the FBA services that they provide. Now this isn't on the selling fees, these are on the FBA services, and once a month you're going to get an invoice from them and it says the GST and the HST that they charged you depending on where the fulfillment services were done. So what happens is they send you, well, if you look at this report here, here's just a photo of a settlement report. This is what you're going to get. Now, broken out in here is like all the different Amazon fees. And so this will tie back to the total invoice that you have from them buried in here. So what we want to do is make sure that we're backing out the GST and the HST and not just including that as an expense, but breaking that out specifically so that you can actually get that money back. The easiest way I just do it, I mean, it's once a month, you just do a journal entry. So I'm going to show you how to quickly do that. So I go up here, I hit the plus, I say, let's give a journal entry. And I know this is on my FBA fees. So I've got various, because I use my chart of accounts that you can purchase. I use that, I've uploaded that, so I'm going to say, okay, this is on not the selling fees, but the actual transaction fees, the FBA fees. So, and this is on Amazon.ca. So I'm going to do that. And what I want to book is, I'll show an example. This is an example here of an invoice, let's say. And the total GST and HST that came across all the different provinces was 1442.65. So I'm going to reduce that expense by 1442.65. 2.65, and the offset I'm going to put to GST and HST. If you have like GST, HST payable or suspense, people do them kind of different ways depending on if money's going in or going out. You put it to your GST account, these should balance, and I would say that this is the GST, HST from Amazon.ca FBA fees May or whatever month it was, and you do the same thing there. I just select them, copy, paste, and that's it. And then I press save, and then that would basically then correctly reduce the expense by this amount, and the GST and the HST that you're going to get back should go up by this. So then you'll actually get it recorded correctly in your QuickBooks, and then it's broken out so you claim it. Because remember, if you just lump this in as an expense, all you're doing is getting kind of like the after-tax benefit of it versus like GST and HST. If you break that out, you're getting dollar for dollar because you just have to give the government less $1 or you're getting it back from them. So it's important to break these things out. There's no, some people will do them, try to do it different ways. I mean, it's not an exact percentage of the fee. It depends on the province. In some provinces, it's only GST, and some of them it's HST. So I just find, what, the simplest thing, one journal entry a month. I just put this through because it's only on Amazon.ca. You make the entry like this, leave the rest of it, no sales tax, any of that. Just put these in and save, and away you go. Hope that helps.